Hello, today I'll be making fish papier. So I was asked to make great food that can be cooked with simplest ingredient and involve easy cooking technique. And I thought this would be a perfect dish. It's a French dish and it's a dish with really nice presentation and it can be like, hey, I'm going to make French dinner. Want to come over and have guests over, and it's something really good to, it's a good food to treat your guests with. So here we go. Here are some of the ingredients. As you can see, it's quite simple. So first of all, we'll preheat the oven to 375 Fahrenheit on the bake setting. We're going to start by slicing some zucchini, so in a semicircle like this. Now some shallots. This can be a bit, unfamiliar ingredient for some people, so it can be skipped. It's not a mandatory ingredient. Now time for some onion. I'm sure we're all familiar with onions. We're gonna slice them as such. Now time for some garlic. I bought the peeled garlic, but you should try to get the whole clove. Okay, now time for some butter, and we're gonna beat one egg. Now in a parchment paper, place your onion, and we're going to put our salmon on top. Now some shallots. And some salt. Make sure to put good amount of salt. And some pepper. Now some zucchini. You can also use something like bell pepper. So any vegetable is good. And now some garlic. And some thyme, and top it with some butter, and we're going to close it tightly. Just kind of crinkle it up in a best way we can to just enclose it. Just tight enough that the steam won't escape. So like that. Brush over some egg. This will act like a glue. If you don't have a brush, you can use your finger. And same thing for the shrimps. Now time to go in the oven. For about 20 to 30 minutes. Now out of the oven, we're gonna toast some bread. Cut it in half. Time for plating. Voila. No, watch out for hot steam that will escape. Wow, look at that. Beautiful, right? The shrimp looks good too. dip the bread in the juice. Enjoy!